loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a Walmart haul. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos. And yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the haul. Okay, so first we're gonna start off with some products that I picked up from Walmart, and the first thing I picked up are these lashes right here. This is in the style chiffon. I love these are so good. They are so wispy. I absolutely love them. They are so cute and super affordable. You absolutely need to get them from Walmart because they are way cheaper than anywhere else than purchasing lashes, because they're so then next I went ahead and picked up this product right here. This is the NYX Bear With Me Sunscreen Daily Moisturizer, but this is a primer also, so you could definitely use this under your makeup, and I absolutely love using SPF under my makeup. That is just a must. I definitely recommend it for anyone using makeup. I definitely recommend putting SPF underneath your makeup, even if there's no sun. It's very good for your skin, especially underneath the makeup. Like I said, it's really good, and this is gonna be my first time trying it out. I heard from another YouTuber, Juicy Jess. She said it's so good, it's super hydrating, so I wanted to give it a try because I do have a dry skin, so I wanted to try it out for myself and see how it works. And then next I picked up another of the e.l.f. hydrating concealer. I absolutely love this concealer. If you have dry under eyes or you don't like your eyes looking too cakey, this is the concealer for you because it's amazing. It's super hydrating, it's not drying at all, so it makes your under eyes look super beautiful, especially when you set it. It looks amazing and it lasts all day, so I absolutely recommend that 100%. And then I went ahead and picked up the e.l.f. Stay All Night Micro Spray. I never tried it. I want to give it a try, and it's so cool because it has like a little ball in there, so super curious to try it out. I'll let you guys know if I like it or not. Let you know. The next thing I picked up were some press-ons, and I also got these from Salon Perfect. I always use Kiss, but I went ahead and started trying these from Salon Perfect, and they are amazing. They're very sturdy. They don't bend easily, which I like. So I got these pink ones, and then I also got these little Cheeto looking ones, and these are so good. They last me at least a good 2 weeks before I have to change them, and I'm telling you guys, it's so good and amazing. I've been using press-ons ever since COVID started, and I've been doing my nails at home. I've been loving it. I've been finding nails good, bad, you know, I've been going through all of it, but these are really good. With this and the Kiss ones, they are amazing. I definitely 100% recommend them. And then another thing I picked up was this mouthwash. I love this mouthwash. I've been using it for couple of years now, and I do not go back to my old ones. This is so good. Makes your breath nice, fresh and clean all day without like giving you a bad residue in your mouth. Like, no, this is amazing. 100% recommend. If you have like that morning breath after you brush your teeth, definitely go ahead and rinse with this because this is so good. I absolutely love it. Next, I want to share with you guys some clothing pieces that I picked up from Walmart. I'm telling you guys, you definitely want to check out Walmart because they have some good stuff there. Like, they are stepping up their game, and this is a, like, it's supposed to be like a bralette type of thing. I picked it up because they had the animal print. I love anything animal prints, so I love to use these with biker shorts and some sneakers, and out the door I go. Like, I love these, especially for like an everyday like run errands type of day. I love these are so good, and it's super comfortable. Like, you can wear it without a bra, but I love to wear a bra because I like my boobies to stand up. I don't like them to look a little saggy, so that's why I use a bra. But they are amazing. If you have perfect boobs, you don't have to wear it with a bra because this is so good. But I absolutely love that one. I did wear it already, so I absolutely love it. And then next thing I picked up was this blue dress right here. I thought it was so cute because I have some blue sandals that I could wear it with. I thought it was super adorable, and it's super flowy. I love flowy dresses for now, for like spring and summer, like a quick easy outfit to put on and like out the door. Like, I love easy outfits. Like, that is just like my go-to. I absolutely love it. And then I also want to mention their biker shorts. They are so good and comfortable. If you're looking for good affordable biker shorts, I definitely check out Walmart. They are $5 to $6, and they are good quality. Like, you absolutely need to check it out. They are super good. I absolutely love them. And then another thing is a t-shirt that I got, and I love that they're carrying graphic tees at Walmart. They are super cute. This one's actually on sale. It was like $7 online, so I purchased it online. I will try to link it down below if they still still have it available, but this is so cute. I love the colors. It's like pastel colors, especially for spring. I thought it was super cute. And then the last clothing thing I got was a bathing suit. Of course, spring, summer here. We're gonna be going to the beach. We're gonna be going to the pool. Why not get a bathing suit? So I thought this one was so cute. I love like the tropical colors. I thought it was adorable. And then it comes with the bottoms. Now you do have to buy them separate, and it was on sale for $9 or $7 like that. Absolutely love this bathing suit. I can't wait to try it on. And I did get the high-waisted one because I love to cover up my belly button. Like, I don't like to have it showing too much, so I got the high-waisted ones. These are so cute and super comfortable. I can't wait to like try it on and go to the pool looking super cute for the summer. But yeah, that is it for my little Walmart haul. Let me know if you guys picked up some goodies that are very good at Walmart. Let me know down below in the comment section, and I will check it out. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, my loves.